Hi, Usicelo Zuma lo, the Pinetown Super Cup founder. Usicelo namhlanje uzokukhuluma nokubonga for the support that we've been getting for a Pinetown Super Cup, and then also ukuzo acknowledge njoba kuphela lenyanga all our platforms and socials azobe ekwazi ukuveza ukuthi Pinetown Super Cup finally has opened. So for entries, new entries for December tournament. December tournament izoqala ngamantombazane mhla ka12 okulesihlanu, then ngom13 no14 kuze kube u15 kobe sekududulana abafana from under 11, 13 and 16 and 19. So ngiyayivula ukuthi ama team are now open to put their entries in ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siwaphendule ukuthi akwazi ukuba ingcenye yalomqhudelwano wa this year obukeka uzoba seqophelweni eliphezulu kakhulu. Let's remember that our previous winners for their age groups was a KZN Academy under 11, and then KZN Academy again under 13, and then under 16 it was also a KZN Academy, and then under 19 was a British Academy. Those teams automatically got a free entry yawo iveli khona la khona abazobe sebekwazi ukuthi bazovikela isicoco sabo. So siyazi ukuthi amanye ama team ayazi ukuthi iPinetown Super Cup ke izoba nama team awu12 ukuthi per age group. So sesicela ama team ke ngobuningi bawo ukuthi aqale afake izicelo zokubhalisela iPinetown Super Cup esivuliwe for ama team ukuthi aqale ukuregister. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.